My name is Martin Butcher. I've worked in the power, water, defense, and mining industry over the last 35 years. So this presentation is really focusing on to say, well, how do we look at items such as standby plant? How do we look at items that are not quite the high criticality items, but still make sure that they do not impact our business, especially during specific times of operations? Let's, for instance, take a fire system. During normal operations, nobody really cares about it because there ain't no fire. However, when a fire occurs, this piece of kit becomes the most critical piece of equipment in our entire organization. So it's really focusing on saying, how do we manage the equipment that are sort of the second tier items in our organization? Combined with that, how do we look at equipment from a equipment maintenance life perspective? The bathtub curve is completely obsolete, and I will be talking about what to replace the bathtub curve with during the presentation to say, well, how do we look at things from a modern equipment perspective? How do we look at things like cyber risks? All those items that make sure that we achieve a comprehensive strategy that not only deals with the high criticality items, but also the medium criticality items.